What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Battlefield 6 packet loss and latency issues. If you are running into packet loss or high latency, here's the simplest way to refresh your network settings and stabilize your connection on Windows. Start by opening the Windows search bar and type cmd, right click command prompt and run it as administrator. When the window opens, type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. This clears your DNS cache and can help remove broken or outdated network entries. Next, open the search bar again and type network reset. Select network reset from the results and click reset now. This reinstalls your network adapters and restores all network settings to default. Once the process finishes, restart your PC to apply the changes. After rebooting, click the network icon on your taskbar, choose troubleshoot problems or diagnose network problems. Windows will scan for weak signals, routing issues or adapter faults and try to fix them automatically. Now to reduce latency even further, make sure you are using a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi if possible. An Ethernet cable removes interference and usually lowers ping instantly. You can also switch your DNS to a faster provider like Cloudflare or Google. To do this, open the Windows search bar and type ncpa.cpl, press enter, then right click your active network adapter and choose properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Now use the following DNS server addresses. If you want to go for Cloudflare, enter 1.1.1.1 as the preferred DNS and 1.0.0.1 as the alternate. If you want to go for Google DNS, use 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Then click OK to save your changes. Finally, close any apps or downloads running in the background, which can be launchers, cloud backups, browsers, or updates can cause ping spikes during gameplay. And that's all you need to stabilize packet loss and improve latency in Battlefield 6. Hope this helps. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.